ladies and gentlemen. Today we will be studying the peculiar Miss Drake, one of the most ferocious and unforgiving creatures on this planet. This odd and terrifying specimen can only be found in Yucca Valley. It also has one of the most odd habits of stealing rocks that don't exactly belong to her. It appears that by a stroke of serendipity, she spots some rocks at the nearby church. They've caught her eye. From this point, she's going to search through the river rock for the perfect one to take home and stash. Unfortunately, though, she's being rather conspicuous.
You won't catch me!
Luckily, she skedaddled at the right time, and he had short legs. Next time, she might not be so lucky. Unfortunately, though, she's not a quick learner, and it seems she's going to try again with Home Depot. It seems as though she's alerted security yet again, and they are armed to the teeth. Luckily, Drake always stays strapped.
Security!
Seemingly enough, Miss Drake has survived the encounter, but is rather exhausted and heads home. Oi, would you looky there? There's a wild Jarnell, one of the few predators to the Drake. The Jarnell is an odd and weird, peculiar predator who commonly stalks and preys upon the elderly. If Miss Drake can't realize the danger, we might be in a bind. It seems as though she's come home, and with a comically large rock. And would you look at that? The Jarnell is still relentlessly stalking the Drake. Some of our expert photographers have placed cameras inside. Let's watch as what goes on inside of the nest.
Joe. Passing. Must have cheated. Rock. Hey, rock. Oh, rock. More. I need more rock. I need rock. I need rock. I need rock.
As she searches for rock, as she calls it, it seems as though the Drake has run into some trouble.